I've had pallets, had some pallets shipped in June 16th, I think it was. I want them to get checked in until like August 25th. So what's that? 7 weeks, 8 weeks almost. Others were taking 3 to 5 weeks to get checked in, and that was using like a freight, the big semi trucks, LTL. And I quit, and so now we use only UPS ground. And if you're not able to ship, some products are not able to ship using Amazon's accounts. So if you're not able to ship in using Amazon's cheaper UPS account where they bill it to you and they take it out of your account, call up UPS, get a salesperson, and actually negotiate with them with something that's called a ground with freight pricing. So we were shipping in on my account. Well, I have a product it's a dangerous good. So I'm not allowed to ship that in using Amazon's accounts. I have to ship it on my own UPS account. And so what I was doing was I had probably a 24% discount, I think it was, off of the normal UPS rate. So, that's better than no discount, but it was costing me, I don't know, $20 a case to ship these in, uh, versus, Amazon's rates are like 7 or 8 case or something like that. So it's a pretty big difference when you're shipping in a lot and you're selling a lot. So I called them up and said, look, we're doing this kind of volume. And let's get you on what's called a ground with freight pricing. It's about a 90% discount. And so now it's a minimum of $8 per box. So no matter what I ship, it's going to be $8 per box. So as long as you have 150 pounds going to one address, you can use this ground with freight pricing, and you don't have to do anything different. Nothing palletized, nothing. It's just you stick UPS labels on it and throw it in the truck just like you would if it was a single package. The requirement is 150 pounds or more going to one destination per shipment. And this year is going to save us probably about $360,000 just doing that. And then I compared it the other day to what Amazon has. I did a little test on one of my other accounts that can ship into Amazon to see what the would cost. Amazon gave me a price, and then I was like, "Whoa, let me check on my other UPS account. If I'd ship this in with my ground with freight pricing, I actually saved about 10 cents. So it's technically, 10 slightly cheaper in this one case, But I think probably that's what Amazon has is ground with freight pricing too, across the board. But it's dirt cheap, and if you're shipping even stuff to yourself or you're shipping to different 3PLs, you got to move stuff around. Maybe you got a 3PL it receives your containers in California, and you're splitting that up to go different places on your own dime to say deliver or someone like that for your 3PL stuff.